A natural self-introduction seamlessly combines your personal facts. Otherwise, you end up sounding like a robot reading a checklist. Take this standard list. My name is Lucy. I am 25. I am from Bedfordshire. I am a teacher. Every single sentence here is grammatically flawless, but delivering them back to back feels completely unnatural and disjointed. The secret is to strip away those repetitive I am starters and convert those standalone facts into descriptive labels. Notice how your age and location fuse directly into your identity. 3 separate sentences condense into one cohesive statement. My name's Lucy, and I'm a 25-year-old teacher from Bedfordshire. Next, group your remaining active details, like your current job or a hobby. Link them with a simple conjunction to build a second flowing sentence. Look at the transformation. 0 information was lost, but the delivery is much shorter and highly conversational. And just like that, you've completely dismantled a choppy, robotic checklist of isolated personal facts and woven them into a fluid, conversational introduction that's ready to impress at any interview.